Prime Minister Modi laying a wreath at the Kargil War Memorial in Dras, minutes before hitting out at the opposition, who he said were politicizing Agnipath, the 4-year tour of duty for young recruits who joined the armed forces in non-officer ranks.
इतने संवेदनशील विषय को कुछ लोगों ने राजनीति का विषय बना दिया है। कुछ लोग सेना के इस रिफॉर्म पर भी अपने व्यक्तिगत स्वार्थ में झूठ की राजनीति कर रहे हैं। ये वही लोग हैं जिन्होंने सेनाओं में हजारों करोड़ के घोटाले करके हमारी सेनाओं को कमजोर किया।
And the Agniveer scheme neither trains.
The Congress says Agnipath denies soldiers a full pension and produces inadequately trained soldiers.
Agniveer scheme should be scrapped. Modern warfare requires fully trained professional soldiers, full-time soldiers, not part-time soldiers. And the Agniveer scheme neither trains nor does it give a full-time permanent commission. And that's not the need of the Indian Army. The Indian Army needs fully trained, completely fully equipped to deal with technological warfare, which is how the trend is going to be going forward.
On the 25th anniversary of the Kargil victory, there was also a firm message for Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान ने अपने इतिहास से कुछ नहीं सीखा है। वो आतंकवाद के सहारे, प्रॉक्सी वॉर के सहारे अपने आप को प्रासंगिक बनाए रखने का प्रयास कर रहा है। आतंक के आकाओं को मेरी आवाज सीधे सुनाई पड़ रही है। मैं आतंकवाद के इन सरपरस्तों को कहना चाहता हूं कि उनके नापाक मंसूबे कभी कामयाब नहीं होंगे।
At the solemn ceremony in Dras, the Prime Minister visited a museum honoring our Kargil bravehearts, besides meeting the next of kin of soldiers killed in action. 543 officers and men were killed during the Kargil War. The war in 1999 was unprecedented given that it was fought at altitudes up to 20,000 feet. 4 soldiers won the Paramveer Chakra, the highest wartime gallantry award, and 10 were honored with the Mahavir Chakra, the second highest gallantry award. On the 25th anniversary of the Kargil War, the Prime Minister used the occasion to also hit out at the opposition over the Agnipath scheme, which has been criticized by the opposition, saying that India's armed forces were getting younger and that he could never understand the mindset of the opposition who play politics over national security. He also had a very direct statement for Pakistan. When it comes to terrorism, his message was direct: we will continue to fight it no matter what the cost. In Dras, with camera person Ahmed Vishnu Shom for NDTV.